Hey, welcome to my channel Techbusi. Today I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus back cover, which was bought from Flipkart. The cost of this one is 149 rupees. I will provide the link in the below description. Please go through it if you want to buy it. So let us do unboxing. So carefully cut the bandage and open the box. So actually the color of this back cover is black color. So this is the S20 Plus back cover. See, so packing is good, but no damage is happened. Nothing is there, only the back case. No manual, nothing is there. Just simple package, not that much good package. So it is a roadside buy package. We'll get it now like that. This package is there. See, S20 Plus. So black color. So let us open and remove this cover. See, this is the back case. So camera cut, and it will cover the power button and the volume button, so that and microphone. This is the microphone cut. So that is camera. So bottom side you will get charging port and the speaker output and everything is. So the material is also good. So for this price, it is looks nice. So it is a plastic, not a plastic, it is a rubber type. So matte finish backside will get. So this is one of the beautiful and looks gorgeous for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. So the quality is also nice. So please go through it and buy it. So this is the camera cut and charging, and that is 3.5 jack, but for S20 Plus 3.5 jack is not available. So this is the, but like this I will unbox lot more videos, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.